Today I want to share with you how I prepare homemade green curry paste for easy cooking. It can be used to make about 5 to 6 pots of Thai green curry for 4 to 6 people. The ingredients needed are 500 grams of green chili, 30 grams of cilantro roots, washed and clean, 25 grams of sweet basil leaves, 1 tablespoon of white peppercorn, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half tablespoon of salt, 130 grams of garlic, 150 grams of green bird eye chili, 160 grams of kaffir limes, 10 grams of kaffir lime leaves, 350 grams of shallots, 85 grams of lemongrass, 50 grams of shrimp paste or belacan, 40 grams of galangal, 200 ml of concentrated coconut milk, and 500 ml of water. The full list of the ingredients is in the See More link. Start with the chili, removing the seed to make it less spicy. The green color of green curry paste comes mostly from the green chili. That is why a lot of chili is used. And to reduce the spiciness, we remove the seeds. If you prefer a spicier green curry, this step can be omitted. We need 2 plastic gloves for this to protect our hands from the heat of the chili. Put both gloves on the hand that is not holding the knife. I have a small knife with a sharp point here. Start with the bird eye chili. Hold the chili firmly and cut it into half vertically. Use a teaspoon to scrape the chili seed out from the pot. Then cut off the stem. It is done. Put it on the plate. Do the same for the green chili. Cut the chili vertically and scrape the seed off with the teaspoon. Leave it in the basin. Repeat for all the chilies. If you prefer to remove them all, for me, I will leave it as is as I like my green curry paste to be spicy. Just remove the stem from the chilies. Cut the green chili into smaller pieces so that they fit the blender. Alright, all the chilies have been cut. Leave them aside. Next, cut the cilantro roots into smaller pieces. Then, cut the lemongrass roughly and the galangals too. Set them aside. Next, use a small knife to slice the thin layer of the green skin from the kaffir lime as the layer with the lovely fragrant. Try not to include the white part as much as possible, as it can cause the green curry paste to be bitter. Please be careful when doing this, as not to cut your hand. Once done, discard the fruit. Next, put the washed white peppercorn in the mortar and pound for about 2 minutes or until very fine. Add in the cut cilantro roots and pound until fine and well combined. This takes about 1 minute. Alright, both ingredients are well mixed. Remove them from the mortar and leave aside. Next, pound the kaffir lime skin for 2 minutes or until really fine with some oil release and fragrant. See, this is what it looks like. The smell is so awesome. Remove from the mortar and leave aside. In the blender, add in the lemongrass, galangal, pounded white peppercorn and cilantro roots, shrimp paste, kaffir lime skin, and 150 ml of water for easy blending. Blend it until very fine. Alright, this should be enough. Put them in a large mixing bowl and continue with the next batch. Put in all the garlic, shallots, and about 150 ml of water. Blend for about 30 seconds or until very fine. Alright, this should be enough. Add in together with the first batch. Next, blend the chili. Put all the green bird eye chili, the cut green chili a little at a time, and 150 ml of water. Blend until smooth. Now it's well blended and quite smooth. Add in another portion of green chili and continue blending. Repeat until complete. Alright, all the chili is blended and really smooth. Blend the basil leaf as green coloring to the green curry paste until fine and smooth. See? It is really smooth and very green. Perfect. Add in together with the other blended ingredients. Add the salt, cumin powder, and coriander powder. Stir the blended ingredients until well combined. The fragrance and color are great, but the consistency is quite thin. It needed to be cooked and stirred for about 1 hour until thickened like paste. Heat the pan. Add 200 ml of concentrated coconut milk and all the kaffir lime leaves. Stir for 2 to 3 minutes or until coconut milk comes to a boil. After 3 minutes, the coconut milk is boiling vigorously. Add in all the blended ingredients. Stir until well combined. This consistency is quite thin. Continuously stir for about 1 hour until it becomes as thick as paste. After 10 minutes, the mixture is just starting to boil and still thin. Continue to stir. After 20 minutes, the mixture is boiling. It has become slightly thicker and has released a lovely aroma. Keep stirring. After 30 minutes, the mixture is getting slightly thicker, but the consistency is still not correct. Carry on stirring. After 40 minutes, the consistency is thicker than before and the aroma is really coming out now. Don't give up stirring. After 50 minutes, the green curry paste has become quite dry and the consistency is quite thick, almost done. After 1 hour, the green curry paste is perfect from the color, texture, consistency, and aroma. This is the perfect consistency as it will be slightly drier than this once cooled. So I will stop here, switch off the heat, and we are done. Leave the green curry in the pan for 2 to 3 hours to cool down. Once it has cooled, distribute and put it in a clean and dry container. It can be kept in the fridge for 2 to 3 weeks or 3 to 4 months in the freezer. Altogether, I have 4 containers of homemade green curry paste. Label it, indicating the weight and the date it was made. The whole weight adds up to 1.3 kilograms. Let's take a closer look at the homemade green curry paste. It's vibrant, smooth, and very fragrant. Stay tuned for the upcoming video of green curry chicken using homemade green curry paste. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.